करो शुरू. Good morning class. We are here to discuss the chapter periodic classification and periodicity in properties of elements. So in previous classes we have discussed atomic theories and Mendeleev periodic table. Students, you all know that at the time of Mendeleev, subatomic particles were not known. Subatomic particles means electron, proton, neutron, and there are many atoms, subatomic particles, neutrino, alpha neutrino, but they were not known to Mendeleev time. So Mendeleev gave old form of periodic table known as Mendeleev periodic table. He arranged the elements on the basis of their mass numbers and he gave periodic law, Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev periodic law states that properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. But in 1913, H.G.J. Moseley proposed modern periodic law and modern form of periodic table or long form of periodic table. He told that atomic number is more fundamental property than atomic mass. And atomic number, which is the fundamental property of atom, should be the basis of classifying the elements. So Moseley started dividing or grouping the elements on the basis of their atomic number, not on the basis of atomic mass. So what he did, he divided periodic table into 18 vertical columns known as groups and 7 horizontal rows known as periods. See students, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 vertical columns. जो ये खड़े हुए columns हैं, these are 18 in numbers and known as groups. So these are the groups. Groups, and these are the columns. Periods. And 7 horizontal rows known as periods. 7 horizontal row. Row number 1, row number 2, 1, period 1, period 2, period 3, period 4, period 5, period 6, and this is period 7. So there are 18 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15 and 18 known as groups. So 18 groups and 7 horizontal these rows, periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next, periods represents energy level, that is shell or orbit. Periods represents energy level of an element or the shell or the orbit of the element. Next thing, first period is very short period having only 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. First period. हाइड्रोजन यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, ब्लैंक है, ऑल ब्लैंक्स, एंड देन इट इज हीलियम, 1 hydrogen and number 2 helium, only 2 elements. Next, period number 2nd and period number 3rd, these two periods, period 2nd and period 3rd, they have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so they have 8 elements each, means there are 8 elements in period number 2 and there are 8 elements in period number 3. Next, period number 4 and 5. Period number 4 and 5 are long periods having 18 elements each. 18 elements. Now you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. Again, it will also have 18. Period number 6 will also have 18. No students. Period number 6 and 7. 6 and 7, they are very long periods having 32 elements each. Now आप कहेंगे 32 एलिमेंट्स हैं कहाँ से, इसमें तो कॉलम ही 18 है, तो 32 एलिमेंट्स हाउ दे कैन बी अकोमोडेटेड हियर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर 57 एंड नंबर 89, सीजियम, बेरियम एंड दिस इज लेंथेनम. यहां पर पीरियड नंबर 6 में ग्रुप नंबर 3 के अंदर, ये जो ग्रुप 3 है, इसमें 56 के बाद डायरेक्ट 71 आएगा यहां पर. और why? Because the properties were not resembling. अगर मोज़ले इनको यहां पर रख रहे थे, 56 के बाद 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, देन इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज इनसे मैच नहीं कर रही थी और फिर वो क्लासिफिकेशन, इनके ग्रुपिंग उनके ढंग से हो नहीं पा रही थी. सो उसने क्या किया, उसने देखा कि हम यहां से 57 से लेकर और 71 तक अगर हम इनको अलग निकाल लें यहां पर, तो ये सारे के सारे एक ग्रुप बन गया एंड दे स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेंथेनम. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नोन एज लेंथेनाइड्स. Lanthanides, La. Lanthanides and same actinides. Same problem was again faced. Francium, this is again another element. Now here should be 89, but 89 to 103 इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज रिजेंबल नहीं कर रही थी, तो यहां पर 89 है एक्टिनियम. तो इन्होंने फिर से इसको पीरियोडिक टेबल से बाहर निकाल दिया और ये दो सीरीज अलग से बना दी. लेंथेनाइड से स्टार्ट होने वाले, लेंथेनम से स्टार्ट होने वाले लेंथेनाइड्स, एक्टिनियम से स्टार्ट होने वाले एक्टिनाइड्स. सो दीज आर लेंथेनाइड्स and these are actinides. So, and both are F block elements. We will be discussing it. What are these blocks? इसके बाद फिर से सीक्वेंस स्टार्ट हो गई. 56, 57 यहां आ गया, 71 तक, फिर यहां पर 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84 and 85. 84, 85. सेम देखिए 103, 89, 103, 104, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 115, 116 and 117 ये आ गए यहाँ पर. Now group number 1 and 2, these group number 1 and group number 2, they are known as S block elements. They are known as S block elements. So they are at the right hand side of the periodic table. Right hand side of the periodic table, and here these are the P block elements. P block elements and 13 to 18, these groups, these are the D block elements. D block elements and horizontal rows below periodic table, these two, beginning from lanthanum, lanthanides and beginning from actinium, known as actinoids. So you will study in higher classes what are the blocks, what are the electronic configuration and why they are given the names as P, D and F block elements. So H. G. J. Moseley, on the basis of subatomic particle, divided elements into long form of periodic table. This periodic table has 18 vertical column groups, 1, 2, 3 and 18, and 7 horizontal rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are known as periods. First period is very short, having only 2 elements. Second and third periods are short periods, having 8 elements each, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In the same way, fourth and fifth are long, having 18 elements. This and this, 18 elements. And last 2 periods, period number 6 and period number 7, are very long periods. Now you will think कि very long कैसे हो जाएंगे, इनमें भी 18 ही आएंगे. But we have discussed 55, 56, 57 to 71, beginning from lanthanum. इनको अगर यहाँ रखते हैं तो बाकी सारे सीक्वेंस गड़बड़ हो रही थी, तो उन्होंने इनको एक नई सीरीज दे दी लैंथेनम, और फिर इसके नीचे 89 to 103 एक्टिनोइड से शुरू होने वालों को एक्टिनाइड सीरीज दे दी. सो ये इनका ब्लॉक भी अलग है. एफ ब्लॉक एलिमेंट इनर ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट है, वो एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट है, ये पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट है, डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट है. सो this is the long form of periodic table or modern form of periodic table. We will be meeting soon in next class with periodicity and elements. Thank you.